Welcome to BookOne PMS. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the new booking layout for creating a single booking. First, go to Reservation Management. On this page, you'll see a toggle for the new layout view. Click the toggle to switch to the new design. Now click on the Book a Room button to begin. Select the room type, choose the arrival and departure dates, and then select a booking plan. Enter the number of rooms, the adult count, and child count if applicable. Next, select the source of booking from the drop-down menu and click on the Add button. Make sure all the required fields are filled before proceeding. The pricing field will automatically fill, including GST. Now, enter the customer details such as name, contact number, and email. Room allocation is optional. If needed, you can select and allocate a specific room. Once done, click Save. After saving, a booking confirmation pop-up will appear confirming that the booking has been created successfully. You can also create bookings using the old layout. For that, check out the tutorial link in the description. Enjoy a faster and smoother booking experience.